So now we're going to discuss the influence of smartphones on our current culture. What are the stats on usage in the USA? According to Statista.com, the number of smartphone users in the US is estimated to reach 224.3 million, with the number of smartphone users globally to exceed 2 billion users by then. For 2017, the number of smartphone users in India is estimated to reach 299.24 million, and in China in 2017, the number is estimated to reach 663.37 million. There are also a lot of trends to see in the USA. Particularly, there's been a growth within the past 5 years, as you can see in this infographic, of people in the population who own a smartphone, who own a tablet, who use social media, who have broadband at home, and who use the internet. Globally, mobility comes in all shapes and sizes. This information is taken from Deloitte.com. It states that, again, mobility comes in all shapes and sizes. Almost 80% of global consumers have smartphones. And these people can't get enough mobile screen time. 93% of the consumers in emerging markets and about 78% in developed markets look at their phone within an hour or less of waking up. According to telecomlead.com, in the Chinese market, it is shown that nearly 3/4 of Chinese consumers said they would buy new smartphones in 2017, up from 61% in 2016. And roughly 55% of the Chinese survey respondents said that they currently use digital assistants from a business standpoint. Why would somebody make an app? According to allbusiness.com, having an app for your business improves your visibility, your direct marketing, your value to customers. It builds brand and recognition and creates better customer engagement. It also helps stand out from competition and improve customer loyalty. And what kind of jobs are in the app field? Jobs I found on Indeed.com include an Android developer in Boston, Massachusetts, mobile data terminal support for a company called IBM Global Business Services, and a mobile app strategist.
What is cloud computing? The delivery of computing services, servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more over the internet or the cloud, Microsoft states. Describe the uses for students, consumers, and businesses. These people can create new apps, services, store, backup, and recover data, host websites and blogs, stream audio and video, deliver software on demand, analyze data for patterns, and make predictions. Cost. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on-site data centers, the racks of servers, the round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, the IT experts for managing the infrastructure. It adds up fast. Pros and cons. Save money by not having to buy hardware and software. With less hardware, IT can make businesses reach their goals faster because they don't have to set up hardware. The cloud offers less latency. Ability to limit control and management of their applications, data, and services, but not the back-end infrastructure. Cons. These relate with small businesses. Without internet, the cloud would be down because it is completely dependent on the business's internet connection. You can never really be too sure about how safe everything is on your cloud. Security issues. No problem when encryption is used. The cloud can have information that goes out into the public that can be seen when switching to a different host or platform.
What is open source software? Open source software is software that a company might create and put on the internet for anyone to download and change the code or anything that they want to do with it. Some examples of open source software would be Firefox, MySQL, GIMP, Thunderbird, and Ubuntu. Who owns the software? Well, although it is free to the public, the companies who build the software actually do own the software, and sometimes they won't release the entire code. Companies like this include Linux, Mozilla, and other such groups. Can these companies make money off of their open source software? They can, either by holding conferences in which they can train you how to use the software and its source code, or by holding back a portion of the code in order to charge you for that. Is it different than free? It is different than free. Free software, you don't get access to the code generally, as well as people who make free software are generally freelance, not part of the organization.
What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence. But AI doesn't have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observed. What are some of the concerns about artificial intelligence? The possibility of AI becoming smarter than humans is a serious concern to many people. Among them are tech innovators like Bill Gates and Elon Musk. On the other hand, companies like Facebook and Google are conducting experiments on artificial intelligence. Facebook recently shut down their experiment after 2 of their AI programs were found to be talking to each other in a strange language they invented and only they could understand.